Welcome, question 33. Find a number which is exactly halfway between this and this. That is 14 whole number, 3 on 4, and 18 whole number, 1 over 2. Between A and B, that is the addition. If I add the two numbers, what value can I see in the middle of that? So here I am going to convert the fractions into improper fraction, as in 14 times the 4. Then we add what? The numerator, which is what? 3. That gives you 59 divided by 4. We are adding that to 18 times 2, that will be 36 plus 1. 37 divided by 2. In order to solve it as a section A, I am going to find equivalent fraction of the denominator, or of the 2. So this times 2, this times 2. That simply means that I should be having 2 times 37, and that give you what? 74. Then plus 59, that will give you 133 divided by 4. Remember, the same denominator. So now that we know this 133 divided by 4 as the sum of the two numbers, we need to find halfway, the number in between this, by dividing this by 2. Dividing by 2 also means multiplying by half. Any way we pass, they could be the same thing. So this will imply that, let me multiply by what? 1 over 2 times 133 on 4. It is just like dividing by 2. And that will automatically give you 1 times that, divided by 2, 4, 8. Let's see how many times will 8 goes into 133. That will be 16 times. Then we have 16 times 8 as 128 minus 133. That will give you 5. So 5 on what? 8. Let's see which option is being portrayed here. That will be the option what? D. Alright. This is also clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 34.